Hola people, today's video is in collaboration with Skin Cafe, so let's head on to it. Okay, so I'm here for my cystine treatment. Due to all that chemical processes and everything, my hair are really damaged, so she suggested me this one. So let's see how it works and what it is. So let's hear from the expert itself what cystine is.
Cysteine is a chemical-free smoothing. Okay, when we are saying smoothing, most of the times in the salons they are doing the straightening procedure and it is called as smoothing. So unlike this is cystine. This is more for damage repair. It can repair any kind of hair. Okay, and it releases the frizz, it reduces dryness, and it gives nice shine. It will hydrate your hair. Okay, without any chemicals. And then results depends, or it minimum lasts from 4 to 8 months. Okay. And it will texturize your hair and it won't give you 100% straight hair. It is basically a curl smoothing treatment which will give you almost 50 to 60% straighter look. Okay. And slowly your hair will come back to normal shape, but it will be more repaired. Okay, means like more rejuvenated and more hydrated. That's it. Okay. And it will not give you a pin straight look.
Okay.
So there is a difference between straightening smoothing and the cystine smoothing.
So we are heading to the first step, which is washing my hair. Also, please remember guys, this treatment won't give you pin straight fine hair look, but very manageable and 50 to 60% straighter hair. I felt really relaxed and she deep cleansed my hair. She's very good at her work. I tell you guys, this is my personal experience. After which we used a dryer to dry out my hair for the next procedure. Moving on to the next step was sectioning my hair so that every part of my hair are treated well. Next she moved on to the step of application of the product to my hair, and it did not touch my roots. You can see how damaged my hair were, especially at the ends. After a while I had my second wash, after which it was re-dried. After which we had a mini lunch break. Then we got back to ironing my hair. So this was how my look turned out on the first day. So I'm here after 2 days for my second wash. I had some damage in my ends, so they needed to be chopped off because of my previous chemical treatments, so we did that. I suggest you guys to go for this treatment rather than straightening if you have already pre-done it, because it really damages your hair, and this is the best treatment to get them back and get them all nourished, etc. So yeah, I had a very good experience. I will also tell you guys how it works with me for 1 month or so, and I'll keep you guys updated. So this is how the final look turned out, and I'm quite happy with them. Also, Mrs. Sangeeta is such a friendly owner. She is very, very good in what she does, and she's a sweetheart, you guys. She's really friendly with you and will explain you exactly what you want. So, go visit her cafe soon. Thank you.